Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet social media channels. We have a 2023 Silverado 1500 LT crew cab, four-wheel drive. A little bit of a unicorn. They've been making a lot less of the 5.3 liter engines. This one has the 5.3 liter engine. I want to apologize. This just got off the truck, so it has not had its bath yet. We're still removing the stuff from the inside, the tape, everything else. Talk about a few of the exterior features, show you a little bit of the inside as best I can. We got the 20-inch aluminum wheels with the brazen painted pockets. I do love these wheels. We will be adding the black bow ties to the truck and all-weather floor liners. Of course, you got the fire engine red. I shouldn't make fun of it. I just can't help it. It's what it always reminds me of going back to being a little kid. You got the Chevy Tech spray and bed liner. You got your 12 tie-down points. Got the Chevy emblem on the back there. You got your LED lighting. Nice feature at night when you're having tailgate parties. You got the multi-flex tailgate. Oh, looks like some flies died running into this truck as it was coming up here. Poor guys. You got your all-star package, so it's going to have the hitch guidance and hitch view to go with the trailering package. Might as well mess with the multi-flex tailgate. One of my favorite features. BBC News app just came up with something random. Hopefully nothing terrible is going on in the world, but it seems like that's the only thing that's happening anymore. We got the window sticker here. MSRP is at $60,365. We are honoring employee and supplier pricing. There's a lot of incentives and rebates going on right now. I'll have a link below with more information. Like I said, we will be adding the all-weather floor liners. We haven't done it yet, but just imagine what it would look like with them in there. Take a quick peek in the front seat. I'm not going to climb in. All-star package, so you're going to have power seat. Now, where I think we finally got we got things right here. We were getting a little dated on the interior of the Silverado with the 13.4-inch touchscreen radio. Of course, you're gonna have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto streaming. You can run your navigation through Waze. You guys know I like Waze because I know it tells me where the cops are. Or if you're a Google Maps person, you also have a 12.3-inch digital control center, 60/40 split folding bench seat, and it's just good truck. You have the heated front seats also with the all-star package. And last of all, you got the power sliding rear window. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. Any constructive criticism, please leave it in the comments. I'm a big boy. I can handle you guys making fun of me. I struggle with the English language despite speaking it my whole life. And also, if you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, family, random strangers, and have a great day. Thank you.